Next up, we'll be looking at a simple spiral wrap that incorporates using two colours to add a trim that don't touch. So once again, taking the trim colour, you want to insert it back under your base colour as we've shown before. Putting it under the base colour again. Because this is a long tag, I'm just going to stick it at the end down and put a few locking wraps down just to hold it in place. Now that I've done that, what I'm going to do is take the trim, put it under and then align it so I've got my base colour here and my trim colour there. I want to be binding them together so they lay down, and that'll mean my trim creates a spiral that never touches itself. So we're going to take that, fold it under, and then holding both threads together, just start wrapping around. Don't get too fussed about the spacing at the moment. You can always go back and fix that up when you burnish. Now that I've got to a few spirals, what I want to do is put some pressure down on the wrap, take my trim and fold it back under the base colour. That way, as I wrap my base colour, it'll secure it. Put it under, press down with a bit of pressure and keep the base colour going. I'll trim that off the tag, and then I'll just go back with my burnishing tool and make sure all the gaps have been taken out. It's a good idea is you can put some pressure back on that. But just touch it up as needed. Make sure those threads are laying side by side, nice and neatly. When that's done, once again, separate the threads and trim. And that is a simple spiral.